This is the watermelon planet, a unique celestial body that defies all conventional planetary rules. This amazing world, about 12,000 kilometers in diameter, is made entirely of fruit matter. From space, it looks like a giant watermelon floating in the void. On this strange planet, hot water lakes are formed from the most boiling parts of watermelons. The water in these pools is not salty but sweet, and its temperature remains constant between 35 and 45 degrees Celsius. The fragrant vapors that rise from the surface of these lakes, the lakes on this planet, are made of pure watermelon water. Their surface is dark red and has a high concentration of nutrients. In the sunlight, these lakes shine like liquid rubies. Their average depth varies between 5 and 20 meters. The waterfalls here defy earthly logic. Instead of crystal clear water, thick streams of watermelon juice cascade down towering pink, icy cliffs. The famous Crimson Falls is 200 meters high and changes from dark red to pale pink with the changing seasons. The water here is 89% watermelon, 10% sediment, and 1% dissolved grains, a combination that would make any nutritionist happy. An endless expanse of pure watermelon water covering more than 70% of the planet's surface. The tides of these seas are driven not by the moon, but by the pulsations of the planet's core. The waves produce pink bubbles instead of white foam. In the heart of this planet, a forest of majestic trees spreads out. Misty light shines through the dense branches, and the ground is covered with short, strange plants. The silence of this forest is filled only with the rustling of leaves and the distant sound of life, as if every corner of it has a story of life and mystery. The crust of this extraterrestrial world is made up of a thick layer of watermelon red flesh. This spongy material, between 5 and 20 meters thick, covers the entire planet. Unlike the soil of rocky planets, this surface gently sinks underfoot when you walk and then returns to its original state. On hot days, the planet's surface expands by up to 10 centimeters. At night, as the air cools, it contracts, creating fine hairline cracks. These cracks act as natural pathways for plant sap to flow. At the South Pole, a layer of ice is formed from condensed watermelon juice, which is reddish-pink in color. The average temperature in this region reaches -40 degrees, but due to the presence of natural sugar, it has a lower freezing point than ordinary water. The glaciers in this region move at a speed of 10 meters per year. In the polar summers, the ice surface melts slightly, forming temporary lakes of watermelon juice.